running low. Medical doctors reporting a shortage of some pediatric drugs on the market. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, get us out of here. Terrified Gregory Park residents begging the state to relocate them after night of terror. And councillors in Westmoreland call in police to investigate what they call a fraudulent scheme. There's also the business review, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.